Hello YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. You might be wondering what I'm doing here, but you see these are made for off-road. So that's what I'm going to do, try these things off-road. I don't have an off-road bike, but I have these, so it would be fine. Let's check it out. Tell you, it's a little bit hard. It's not easy to keep it up. But it's beautiful here, so why wouldn't I? I can't recommend this to you if you have a bike like this. I'm not an expert driver, but I can tell you it's not easy to drive here with the loose sand. The front wheel wants to go left and right while I want to go straight. Honestly don't know why I'm doing this, but I like to go off-road with any kind of vehicle, and this is some kind of vehicle, so that's why I want to go off-road. Normally when I go this slow I put one hand on my tank or on my leg, but in this situation you might want to keep both hands on the steering wheel or the handlebars, sorry. Now I have to think. This is for bicycles only, but well, I'm a bicycle today. As long as you drive normally, people don't get all angry and stuff. Well, maybe if I pedal, they will believe I'm a bicycle. As you can see, it's perfectly fine to drive your sports bike on a dirt road. The only thing you need to have is those. You can drive off-road with any vehicle, and even with a sports bike like this. The only thing you need to do is just drive. I hope you can understand everything I say, because I have this fur on my microphone and I get fur in my mouth all the time, but I'm just testing this type of fur. Maybe we can find a dirt road here. Maybe we can go off-road here. You can only go here when you are a military vehicle. So, as long as I think to myself, I serve my country, I'm military. this area is an area where the military people practice with shooting and building things, all kinds of things. But it's also fun to ride on and hard, but that's not a problem at all. I'm only driving in first gear because, well, I don't know the bike that well yet. The longer I have this bike, the better I know it. So further on this season I would be able to drive faster here. This would be fun. This is an old bicycle track where they can jump and cross their little bicycles. A BMX track. The most fun people in the world, walking people. Nobody knows why they're walking there, but there's a perfectly fine place there, but they have to walk here. Eat my dust. That's where I'm bringing you next time. 2 miles that way is the Dutch MotoGP track. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I'm working on my off-roading skills with my FCR 1000s, and maybe in the future I will be off-roading a lot more with this little bike, because, well, some people say it's a street bike, but I wear this motocross things, gloves, so I can go motocrossing with this bike. If you like this video, press the like button. If you don't like this video, well, press the dislike button. If you want to see more of me and this bike, subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading every week. And don't forget the little notification bell, so you get a notification when I upload things. Bye. By the way, feel free to contact me in any way. Send me a message on Instagram or Facebook and I'll reply to you. If you have any questions or anything, or you just want to talk to me, just do it. Hello bicycle people.